As a business owner, lagi ako naghahanap ng ways para palaguin yung money ko. Hindi lang sa negosyo, pati sa personal finances. And when it comes to investing, start with BPI Investment Funds. Kasi madaming options na pwede mong pagpilian. Because there's a fund for everyone and every need. Tapos professionally managed pa siya. Meaning, experts from BPI Wealth ang nag-handle ng money mo. Hindi naman pala complicated mag-start mag-invest. And anyone can open an account easily via e-Invest by BPI Wealth. Simple, secure, and diretso lang sa laptop or phone mo. For someone like me na laging busy, negosyo, workouts, and everyday life, malaking bagay na pwede kang mag-invest anytime, anywhere, at your own pace. So if you're thinking about growing your money, start investing today. Check out e-Invest and explore their wide range of BPI investment funds.